Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV here at Brownells for GunCon 2023. I'm with John. John's with Stuff and Things, which is actually a very appropriate name because I was over at your booth and there's some stuff and some things.
We make a lot of stuff and things, and that website is STINC USA.com.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense.
So we are STINC
This is weird shit. What do we have here? Let's just walk through it.
So this is the Bullpup kit for the Zastava series pistols. It is simply a furniture upgrade to your Zastava 92 or 85, or you have the Century Arms 9mm Bullpup conversion kit. Now, these are pistols, as they are declared. Occasionally, I like to think of them as cheek pistols with occasional non-consensual shoulder contacts. But, you know, what you do, we don't ask, we don't tell.
Yeah, sure.
So,
Great
yes,
policy.
Bullpup pistol kits from Stuff and Things, Inc.
Okay, so I can buy this and I don't need to SBR it because, I mean, you just have, like, basically the rear trunnion at the back there.
That's correct. There's nothing added to the end of the receiver. We're not changing any of the rear surface area. So, by our determination, it is a pistol.
In theory, is it physically possible for that rear trunnion to touch my shoulder when I'm shooting it? Is it physically possible?
I would say it's physically possible, but that is not our intent or design. Once
Sure.
again, a non-consensual shoulder contact.
Yeah.
You can't tell what happens out there.
Do not do that. It's physically possible, but you ought to not. You shouldn't. You guys don't want people to
truly a cheek pistol.
Pistol
is the idea. Yeah.
I see. I see that. Yeah, not for your shoulder. So, what does this run? I like the fake light here.
So the fake light, which was done in Texas, this is just a Cerakote finish. This is not something we offer currently, but the full retail kit with the carry handle, the cheek riser, and everything you see here is $350 MSRP.
Oh my God, that's actually pretty reasonable. So you supply the gun. You guys, we can get this weird shit from you for $350.
You bring your own gun. You can set up how you like. There is a base model set that does not come with a carry handle. Does not come with a cheek riser for only $300 if you want to set up optics or other things like that as well.
Oh, okay. All right, yeah, it's pretty cool. And then what do I have here with
this
the...
This is Groza at home.
Oh.
If you can't have a Groza, this is Groza at home.
Right, close enough.
Exactly.
9mm, talk to me about it. Here, let's swap off here.
Perfect.
There we go.
This is the Century Arms kit, the same basic Bullpup kit, same retail price of $350 as it sits right here. This one is running a Gideon optic on it. That's a brand new company that's coming out shortly. And there you go. There's your 9mm.
Okay, and then this runs on the, it takes Scorpion mags, right? I'm not very familiar with the Century 9mm AK. So.
Yes, so this one is set up currently to take these Scorpion mags.
Okay. Yeah, I figured those are cheap, easy to find, pretty reliable.
And it's kind of interesting for an AK that you actually get last round hold open on these particular mags.
So the one I'm holding here for your 7.6239, this is for the Zastavas only.
Yes.
For the Yugo gun, so to speak.
There's also the Zastava makes the Z92, which is the 7.62 by 39, or they make a 5.56 version, which we also have.
Okay, so I can do either of those. Now, as far as the one you have, can I use any 9mm AK? Just...
Currently, right now, it's only really set up for the Century Arms 9mm. Now, there's going to be more kits coming out in the future. Eventually, any of the AKM patterns, you want to do your 16-inch rifles.
God help us.
You know, we're going to have a whole set of being able to make Brandon Herrera really mad.
Yeah, sure. No, I mean, my pressure is rising right now just being on camera with you.
It's fantastic.
So one more time, if somebody wants to find this bullshit, where?
This is made by Stuff and Things, Inc., and you can find us at STINCUSA.com. Come see us at STINC USA.
Truly an abomination. Thank you for being on the program. Guys, stay tuned. We're bringing you more from GunCon.